Eliminate gout pain with diet. Gout is a kind of arthritis, which is an inflammatory disorder that affects the joints. Gout patients have sudden and severe bouts of joint pain, edema, and inflammation. Medications, a gout-friendly diet, and lifestyle modifications can all help to control gout. When there is too much uric acid in the blood, gout symptoms or attacks develop. The majority of persons with gout have these symptoms as a result of their body's inability to effectively eliminate excess uric acid. Certain foods, if you have gout, can cause an attack by boosting your uric acid levels. Purines, a naturally occurring component in foods, are typically present in trigger foods. Organ meats, red meats, shellfish, alcohol, and beer are all known to cause gout attacks. Interestingly, while not being purine-rich, fructose and sugar-sweetened drinks can raise the incidence of gout episodes. Low-fat dairy products, soy products, and vitamin C supplements, on the other hand, have been shown to help prevent gout episodes by lowering blood uric acid levels. Here are some high purine, moderately high purine, and high fructose foods to stay away from. Organ meats in general, including the liver, kidneys, sweetbreads, and brain are among them, also meats from wild animals such as pheasant, veal, and venison. Herring, trout, mackerel, tuna, sardines, anchovies, haddock, scallops, crab, shrimp, and roe should also be avoided. Fruit juices and sugary drinks, in particular, are high in sugar. In addition, honey, agave nectar, and high fructose corn syrup are all added sugars that should be avoided if you have gout. Yeast supplements include nutritional yeast, brewer's yeast, and other yeasts. Refined carbohydrates, such as white bread, cakes, and cookies, should be avoided as well. They are lacking in nutrients and may boost your uric acid levels despite not being high in purines or fructose. In summary, organ meats, game meats, fish and shellfish, sugary drinks, processed starches, added sugars, and yeast should all be avoided if you have gout. Although a gout-friendly diet eliminates numerous items, you may still eat a variety of low-purine meals. The following are some low-purine meals that are typically safe for gout sufferers. For gout, most fruits are generally fine and cherries may possibly prevent attacks by decreasing inflammation and lowering uric acid levels. Potatoes, peas, mushrooms, eggplants, and dark green leafy vegetables are all acceptable. Lentils, beans, soybeans, and tofu are all acceptable legumes. Nuts and seeds of all kinds. Oats, brown rice, and barley are examples of whole grains which are acceptable. All dairy products are safe, but low-fat dairy appears to be particularly advantageous, and along with eggs. Acceptable beverages include coffee, tea and green tea. All herbs and spices are safe for gout. Canola, coconut, olive, and flax oils are examples of plant-based oils. With the exception of organ meats, game meats, and certain fish, most meats can be ingested in moderation, although only 4 to 6 ounces of them should be consumed only a few times each week. These include chicken, beef, pork and lamb. Salmon, whether fresh or canned, has lower purine levels than most other fish. Bottom line: all fruits and vegetables, whole grains, low-fat dairy products, eggs, and most drinks are foods you are able to eat if you have gout. A gout-friendly diet can help reduce pain and edema while also helping to avoid future episodes. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.